pretty amazing what a year of consistent work can do. A year ago, I was walking with a weight vest, trying to heal up my Achilles that was hampering me for over a year. And through proper training, nutrition, sleep, and just giving my body time to recover, I have been able to get back into not the best shape of my life, but the best shape I've been in the last 2 years probably. So it's all about consistency and making smart decisions. Hope everybody's doing well. Take it easy.